caste issue, and this should not be implemented at all. Hindu Forum, there's a report, and after that, one of the reports where community members given the evidence that how they were treated in the Shri Singh Sabha and other places. This is a myth, it is a created, it is an imaginary cases, not the real cases. So that's why I'm saying that try to look at those Sangat and Sikh channel, and I had a delegation from the Shri Guru Ravidas Sabha today, Jogaraji and others, to say that attack on you, what can we do for you? I said, let them attack me. You do your job. Do you want to support the Labour Party or not? It's not me only. It's John McDonnell, it's Brinda Sharma, it's Seema Malhotra, it's Steve Pound, Andy Slaughter. These are the people who are under attack from these people. Why no Tory is under attack from these channels? So you can see the difference. But at the same time, Keith Vaz and many other my colleagues abstained. Because as far as I'm concerned, they were influenced by other ideas, or they did not understand the issue. Right? So what I'm trying to say is that we living in Britain at least have the opportunity to where we can lobby MPs, we can lobby the opinion formers, we can lobby those people who can fight on our behalf. And I hope that you will do that first, making sure that you vote on the 7th of May. Vote, look at that, ask the candidates, where do you stand on these points? The points which are affecting us. I'm not saying that, I'm not creating if there's any conservative member sitting here or the supporter of the Liberal and other political parties sitting here, I'm not saying to them that don't do that. If you think that there's wonderful. I know that there are the people from the community who say, look, don't raise these points. This will go away itself. Nothing will go away. So you're lobbying. That's why we're spending days, and my colleagues in the parliament have more active part than I have on these issues, because they are fully aware, they are properly briefed, they know it, and they know how to fight it. And my backing is on that to say that how best we can, as soon as we can implement it, it can be implemented. There's no date fixed. I'm not saying that on 8th of May, when Ed Miliband become the Prime Minister, that he will announce immediately, but maybe we still have to fight, we still have to carry on this. I'm not saying that, but I can assure you and promise you that my commitment on the social justice, my commitment on the caste issue is very clear, and my campaigning background on this one, Madhu and few other colleague friends can vote for that for years and years, because I understand that, and I will carry on fighting for the rights of those people on the basis of their discrimination carry on in the future as well. I'm sorry, I will be leaving. I got my leaflets which I leave outside or on the side. Take it, read it, and if you can help us, come and help me, help the Labour Party, help those people who stand by you at the time of the difficulty. Thank you very much.
Sharma, should I request you something, Mr. Sharma?
Yeah.
Next year, Mr. Ambedkar will be 125 years. The desire is with this, I've been always thinking. I see Madame Tussauds event. Every celebrities statues there. Why not Mr. Ambedkar is such a crusader? Why not?
We have already lobbied them,
yeah.
And every 3 months or so, I am writing to them, phoning them up, saying we want a Dr. Ambedkar statue. That is that's a given. There are a lot of people who are leading on this, and I think the more people that get in touch with Madame Tussauds directly, the more impact we will make.
But what's the issue? Why don't they?
I have no idea. Well, because they have the likes of...
Excuse me, sorry to intervene, because MP got to go,
Oh,
as well as we got to launch this
Nice to see you.
124th Baba Saheb souvenir before MP goes. So perhaps
So lots of other things that concern us.
it is going to launch now.
And
Very much thank our beloved MP to be coming here just for the launch.
And the future MP.
खड़े हो जाइए और लॉन्च करिए.
I'm delivering it tomorrow, so you can...
Just शर्मा जी जरा
Sorry.
लॉन्च बोलते भी चलिए तो बाबा साहब की बाबा साहब
Sorry. It's a 124th birth commemoration souvenir. Baba Saheb Ambedkar is launched this evening, and here's the booklet. Are we giving to everybody? Yeah, it's over there. Please take it, read it, and follow the footsteps of Babaji and take the message across. It's not to yourself. It's educating others about. We part of the society, we know it. It's a people, that's why we don't have that statue in there. Because a lot of people, even in the, at the Baker Street, don't understand. So we need to educate them, and I'm sure that
It's
campaign...
not awareness, I guess.
Okay, brother, we talk now. Right. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, sir.
Okay,
I see you.
Friends, we have got some new members. Charulata ji, आइए. Bharulata, Dr. Subodh Kamble. Please come. This empty seat अच्छी नहीं लगती. अच्छा नहीं लगता. Empty seat. बेटे आप बैठ जाओ आगे बैठो इधर अच्छा नहीं लगता जगह खाली अच्छी है. आगे बैठिए इधर खाली जगह अच्छी है. We don't really, people really. We had actually made a keynote speech by Santosh ji. She have really explained everything, and we are going to talk quite a lot while we having our meal as well. But now we are not going to have actually so many talk and other things. Those who want to say couple of the words, few words or something, greetings, they are most welcome. They can give the name to Dayaji. But when you say minutes, I mean a couple of words, minutes, greetings mean that's greetings. Not to make a speech is long, because that is our identity as Indians, that we really, once we start, we never stop. That's a good thing, because that is actually the world that. And आज तो भाषण करने का जो हमारे देश के अंदर एक बड़ा एक लग गया है, जहाँ भी रखो जो भी करो भाषण जो शुरू हुआ तो वो रुकता ही नहीं. So we don't want that. We want to enjoy it. We are going to have a very good meal as well, and expect about the time for food as well. So we don't want to really have too much. Well, introduction is the other half of Dr. Kamble, Bharulata Kamble. She is a lawyer by profession, but now she is a film documentary producers and makers and you name it, what not. You will hear her. She will give a brief talk, right, brother? हमारे जगदीश.
Good evening. मैं हिंदी में ही बात करूँगी. I rather prefer to speak in Hindi. जैसे अंकल ने बताया, मेरा नाम और मेरे हस्बैंड जी यहाँ पे है. मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई आज यहाँ आके. ये मेरा पहली बार है, मतलब अंकल को मैं जानती हूँ, गौतम अंकल को मैं जानती हूँ पहले से, और मेरे फादर के फ्रेंड रह चुके हैं, तो हमारा बहुत फैमिली कनेक्शन है. लेकिन मेरा यहाँ आना नहीं हो रहा था, मेनली बिकॉज हम ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रह रहे थे और हम अभी पिछले साल ही वापस आए, तो इसीलिए हमारा आना नहीं हुआ यहाँ पे. और ये मेरा मतलब नॉट बाबा साहेब आम्बेडकर के जयंती पे नहीं, लेकिन वो तो बहुत बार मैंने सेलिब्रेट किया है एट वेरियस प्लेसेस, बट पर्टिकुलर ये हॉल में पहली बार आना हुआ. और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोगों को देख के. यहाँ पे इतने सारे लोग हम मिले हैं बाबा साहेब आम्बेडकर जयंती मनाने के लिए. और जैसे मेरे हस्बैंड ने कहा कि बाबा साहेब आम्बेडकर नहीं होते थे तो शायद हम यहाँ पे नहीं होते थे. और मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है कि हमारे इंडिया से एक इतने महान, जो हमारी कम्युनिटी से इतने महान इंसान रह चुके हैं और इन्होंने सबके लिए इतना मतलब इतने प्रोविज़न किए हैं, मतलब सिर्फ हमारी कम्युनिटी के लिए ही नहीं लेकिन और स्पेशली औरतों के लिए जनरल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे प्रोविज़न किए हैं कि सिर्फ हमारी कम्युनिटी ने किए कि ही महिलाओं ने नहीं लेकिन और कम्युनिटी की महिलाओं ने भी उनका शुक्रगुजार और धन्यवाद करते रहना चाहिए लाइफ लॉन्ग। और आपको ये बाबा साहेब आम्बेडकर बर्थडे पे आपको सबको मेरी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और मैं आशा करती हूँ कि हम बार बार हर साल ऐसे मिलते ही रहे, ये अवसर हम और जोरों से और धूमधाम से मनाएं। थैंक यू।
Now our former mayor, Mr. Patil Sahib, is going to deliver his speech.
Friends, I'm not going to give you a big speech. Just one or two events that took place when I went to India about 5 years ago. Unfortunately, I didn't go afterwards. But whenever I go to India, I get sick there. And rather than meeting relatives and friends and participating in some community activities, especially meeting over the Baba Sahib and other social issues, I have to lie down in the hotel and get for the doctors and other help. So I decided not to go to India, at least for some time till I feel better. Last time I went, I was staying with one of our great community leader there, Vishwanath Karar Sahab. He is director of an institute called MIT, which is in Kothur. It's a very, very big organization, maybe about 30,000 people, students they are working there on various faculties. So then he organized my trip to Alandi. Alandi, pata hai na?
Yes, yes.
Alandi. Wish I could have spoken in Marathi, so that would have been more forceful. But never mind, we've got to talk with everyone, accommodate. From Alandi, he organized a cab and we went through his car, sorry, not cab, through his car. And I had some friends. And while we were going there, there was what do you call it, a fair or yatra or a wari yearly event at the Alandi, where Jnaneshwar Samadhi is there. Jnaneshwar is one of the great saints in Maharashtra, to other people let me know. And there is throughout the Maharashtra, the one slogan is always there, Janba Tukaram, Janba Tukaram, Janba Tukaram. People from all the walks of the life, not the top crest, but all other walks of life, they always have a slogan, Janba Tukaram. Tukaram is also another sect. So they joined the name together, Janba Tukaram, Janba Tukaram. So it was only Jnandev Samadhi there. And so many people were going, and then there was called Dindi, means some kind of a group of people, say 100, 200, or 50, or whatever they group the people, they go in together from particularly village or particular area with to that particularly event, in that yearly event. And when they were going, usually on the road, they have to walk in the line rather than blocking the whole road. They have to walk in the line. And when they were walking, not there was one bit, Jnaneshwari, sorry, Alandi and Pune is about 20 miles or something, or perhaps more. And wherever there were quite few Dindis, and then I said, why these people are going, what is this matter? They said they are going yearly event, and some people have their tulas, you know, that some kind of a plant, tulas jana maiti, tulsi they put it on their head, and then some people have pots of water, some people have all different things, and they were going, all those things. And they were in ragtag clothes, they are not very posh clothes or any other things. And I asked one of the chap who are going to India, I stopped the car and asked him, He said, where are you going? So we came from 100 miles, 3 nights we stayed there, then we go in the morning, we got up and then again started. We spent 3 nights on the road to reach Alandi. Then I said, in your trip, how many people are there? He said, about 70 people. Is there anyone Brahmin among you? Not a single Brahmin. They are all coming from a downtrodden, all these, what do you call it, lower caste people. And they were all the time, Janba Tukan, they got some kind of chambals in their hand. Janba Tukan, all the time, Janba Tukaram ki jai, and all these slogans and everything, they were not walking quietly. When there is a town comes, they will start there. And when there is no town, they will. And this happened, not only one Dindi I stopped, I talked, but there were quite a few, about 5, 6 Dindis I stopped. And among the 6 Dindis I visited, they visited me, or I visited them, not a single Brahmin was there. True. Not to one. So people from our downtrodden community, they blindly follow everything. Then we went reached to the actually Dandi Samadhi. There were so many, thousands and thousands of people were there. You will not believe it. It's just like any other Mela. You get it on Shivaji Maidan on 6th of December. You get it, so many people, millions of people kind of there. Not lakhos log there. As a lot of people, there are no room there. Luckily, what happened? The Vishwanath Karad, he had spent a lot of money to develop that area, especially. You are talking about the millions of rupees he spent on developing the banks of the river. I can't remember the name now, but that river. And there he had he organized because of his influence. And then the information was sent inside that Mayor of London has coming down there, and could you have access to him? So I had easy access rather than waiting for a few hours, maybe 5 hours, 6 hours, 10 hours in the queue to visit the Samadhi, actually the Samadhi, Dhaneshwar Samadhi. There, when I went, and some people from that committee who organized this whole thing, and I met them, and they received me and a cup of tea and all these formalities after darshan. And after darshan, when I asked them, is there any person from the Bahujan Samaj? Because I see the list of their names, all the names were Brahmin. So committees were Brahmin, organized were Brahmins. And then I asked them, who are these all, which people they coming here? He says that Dhaneshwar is very famous among the lower castes, not the high caste. Now there wasn't any high caste person there, only on management committee. They are sitting in an office and everything, and getting money and all kind of things. Pension were in their hand. And Vishwanath Karad tried very hard to penetrate into it, but they could not do it. He could not do it because they would not accept it. So, these are the situation is there in Maharashtra. The struggle of fighting the Baba Sahib war is not over. Our people still we believe in, we are in now 2000, Dhyanbad Tukan still goes on, and it will go on a number of years. So there is a lot of room to educate these people that this is not the way you do it. This is not the way you go around there. So the whole thing, the struggle of casteism is not over. Is somewhere we are in the middle. So we've got to fight for many, many years to go. And this is the way we will recharge our batteries by attending these kind of meetings, Baba Sahib meetings and other things. Unfortunately to us, Baba Sahib movements in India, especially in Bombay, are not very organized. But hope that one day they will organize, and we will be again fighting the war, carrying on endlessly till this issue is over. Thank you very much.
fact, looking at the time, because the timekeeping is very important, 8:38, soon we're going to have a meal, and in next 10 minutes we're going to conclude. In 10 minutes, we are going to have 5 speakers. Everyone is just going to give just a greeting, the warmest greeting, as we call it. And that's all. So everyone please keep the time, just for the 2 minutes, come and say a couple of words, whatever they want to say, because it's a happy occasion. And the happy occasion in a sense that way we should look at it, that बाबा साहब की जो विरासत है, लेगेसी है, वो लेगेसी हम लोग आगे ले जा रहे हैं। वो लेगेसी की प्रावधा हमारे सामने है, और जो खुशियां जो है वो आप लोगों को खींच के यहां लाती है। विद वेरी शॉर्ट नोटिस SMS और टेक्स्ट मैसेज से ये लोग इधर आ गए और हॉल भर गया। तो ये जो है कोई इतने आसानी से नहीं होता है। कल भी प्रोग्राम होने वाला है, जगह जगह पर हो रहा है, 1 हफ्ते का भी प्रोग्राम शुरू हो गया है। इट्स नेवर एंडिंग स्पीचेस। हम लोग जब खाना खाने वाले हैं वो टाइम पर भी हम काफी बातें करने वाले हैं। बहुत से इश्यू है। बाबा साहब के 5 पहलू है, आपको सबको पता है कि शुरुआत में बाबा साहब ने कैसी क्रांति की, जैसे महाड़ की सत्याग्रह की बात की, भाई ने बोला, और जैसे भी राजनीतिक हमको अधिकार चाहिए, इसीलिए बाबा साहब ने आके यहाँ गोड़मेजी प्रतिशत में, और जहां हमने सेंट जेम्स पैलेस में बाबा साहब ने किया, वो 2nd स्टेज था। 3rd स्टेज था एजुकेशन, और उसके लिए मूक नायक निकाला, प्रबुद्ध भारत निकाला। फिर बाद में 4थी जगह पर आए कि लोगों को मैंने बहुत कुछ किया, पर अभी मुझे संविधान दे के देना रखना है कि मेरे जाने के बाद भी मेरे लोगों को कोई हाथ नहीं लगा। और 5वां पड़ाव जो बाबा साहब को जो रहा, हमको एक ऐसी दिशा दे दी धम्मा की कि दुनिया के दूसरे देशों के साथ जो जिस तरह से हमको जोड़ दिया, तो इस मुकाम पर हम लोग खड़े हैं। और इस मुकाम पर हम खड़े हैं कि आज हम ग्लोबल है। देखो, हार्ट लोग ये जो एयरपोर्ट के नजदीक में 15-20 मिनट में इधर आदमी आ सकते हैं, और इंटरनेशनल सेंटर है, यानी कि बाबा साहब के यहाँ कई लोग, आप थोरात का आपको कहो, आप मुंगेकर जी को हो, यू नेम इट, एनीबडी, एवरीवन केम एंड स्टे हियर एंड दे विजिटेड द प्लेस। कहने का मतलब है कि ग्लोबलाइज हो गया है। कल भी देखना कितना बड़ा प्रोग्राम होने वाला है हाई कमीशन में। इस टाइम वो लोगों ने प्रोग्राम थोड़ा शॉर्टकट किया है। तो जो भी है, जैसे भी है, वो लोगों की अपना गवर्नमेंट का हाउस है, वहां किसी का भी जन्मदिन नहीं होता है, बाबा साहब का होता है। ये हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ी गौरव की बात है। तो मैं ज्यादा नहीं बोलते हुए, अभी 5 लोग हैं। एक तो अविनाश कामले जी, 2 मिनट। डॉक्टर हरीश रावलिया, वो सिर्फ जो अपना जो गाना एक बहुत अच्छा गाते हैं वो एक सुनाएंगे, ग्रीटिंग उसकी हो गई। और स्कॉटलैंड से हमारे चेयरमैन आए हैं, चेयरमैन ऑफ डॉक्टर आम्बेडकर मेमोरियल ट्रस्ट, वो यूजिन कुलास जी है, वो भी सिर्फ 2 मिनट ही बोलेंगे, वो टाइम के बड़े